How to export your scene as a picture in Revit 2025. Go to File, then go to Export, then go down, Image and Animation, select it, then select Image. After that, select Visible Proportion of Current Window, then go to Change, select Desktop, name it whatever you want, then press Save, then select Fit or Zoom to, let's make it to 300, and the resolution, let's make it 600, and the JPG medium, and the JPG also medium. Then press OK. And here it is.